Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you love to camp, then you know that camping in the summer can get pretty hot, and it is essential to have a fan so that you can keep things cool and enjoyable while you sleep. We have been using this Coolice fan and it has been so nice. For one thing, it has 3 different speeds of fan and there's a timer. I love that because oftentimes I'm hot when I first go to sleep, but then things get cooler as it gets closer to dawn. I love that it has a hook on it because that makes it nice to be able to attach to the ceiling of your tent in order to really get a lot of airflow. And the remote makes it so convenient. So if it's on the ceiling, I can just use the remote and I don't have to get up to change the speed or turn on the light or anything like that. Speaking of lights, this has 2 different settings, a low and a high beam. Also, it has 2 ports for charging. So it's a charge bank. You can charge anything with USB-C or a USB port, and that is really awesome. I also love that it has a clamp on it. So not only do we use it in the tent, but we use it at home too. And I love that I can clamp it on the side of counters or on this little table, and then I can enjoy having a fan right there. Coolice has a couple different colors to choose from. I love this green one, and it is so nice for the tent and around the house, and that's my point of view.